Hello friends, a warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your friend truly Shoham. After almost 3 weeks of gap, I am back with my new content today, and today we're going to discuss about the newest film that has hit the Hindi and the Indian box office, that each one of us is waiting with bated breath. No prize for guessing. Today we're going to discuss about the much awaited, much discussed and unfortunately the much boycotted Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, starring Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Nagarjuna, and the one and only Mr. Shah Rukh Khan in a cameo, also Moni Roy. So, we will discuss about what worked for me, what did not work for me, what was good, what could have been better, and whether within my capacity as a YouTuber, as someone who is in love with the medium of cinema, as a student of cinema, whether I am going to recommend this film to each one of you to give it a shot or not. So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly cut to the chase. Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, directed by Ayan Mukherjee, bankrolled by Dhamma Productions, that is led by Karan Johar. First and foremost, what worked for me? Let us be absolutely sure on this, you have never seen such level of visual spectacle, such spellbinding, astounding visual imagination in Indian screen, at least not in my imagination. Each and every penny worth of the 410 crores, allegedly the budget of this film, has gone in there, and this is great investment. The film looks visually stunning, and if possible, if you can afford it, please go and watch it in an IMAX 3D or the largest and the grandest possible screen in front of your home, wherever possible. This one should be an experience for the ages, which I really liked, the VFX. The second one, which I really liked, the concept. This entire concept, the marriage of various schools of cinematic thinking in terms of this epic cinematic universe that Mr. Ayan Mukherjee wants to create for the Indian moviegoers. It is at one hand the Hindu mythology, the Astroverse, the fascinating, the enigmatic era, the enigmatic storytelling, everything coming together with various films. At one hand you have got Star Wars, The Last Airbender, the Marvel, the DC, everything all coming together, and on top of it, though I hate to use the term Bollywood tarka, and on top of it you also have the love story, the quintessential boy meets girl love story, all coming together. Does it hold well cohesively? Does it come together properly and gel well? We are going to discuss that, because the answer to that is a yes and a no both. Thirdly, which I really liked, the conviction of the performances of the entire cast and crew, right, starting from Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Mr. Bachchan, Mr. Nagarjuna, Shah Rukh Khan, Moni Roy, everyone. This film does not boast of great performances, because I don't think the film has scope for that. But the film has sincere, honest and committed performances from Ranbir Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Nagarjuna, Moni Roy, and last but definitely not the least, Shah Rukh Khan. The film has some really competent performances. Now coming to the point of things which I did not like. First and foremost, I felt that Alia Bhatt's performance could have been better in this film. She looks nothing more than a damsel in distress, which is something, though I don't know whether it was directorial choice or by then Alia was not such a matured performer as she is now, but I guess her performance could have been better in the film. Again, it's my personal belief, you might disagree with that, that's what I felt. Secondly, the writing. This film lacks big time in screenplay to build a cohesive and the glued screenplay, and also, I hate to say this, the dialogues really put the film down. You can't have cheesy and corny dialogues in such a massive monumental setup. I understand that director and the director wants to make the film more accessible, but having dialogues like "Pyar hi sabse bada Brahmastra hai," "You rock Guruji," I don't think that this kind of things exactly work in a very serious and, what should I say, gambhir setup, to put it in Hindi. These are the two things which I felt that could have been done better. So, last but not the least, in a nutshell, am I going to recommend Brahmastra? A big yes. Despite of some really glaring shortcomings, you have to tip your hats off to the meticulous hard work that the director, the grand, the dazzling ambition that Ayan Mukherjee and his actors, the cast and crew, the entire team has put forward, that is palpable on the screen. I would request everyone, each one of you listening to this video and watching this video, please give it a shot. Please make it a point of watching it in the big screen with your family, with your friends, with everyone possible. Give this film a shot. Yes, the film is not a masterpiece, but definitely a part of the paid YouTubers, the paid reviewers who are calling it as a kachra, that is also not true at all. The film is definitely worth your money. Give it one shot at least. And yes, Brahmastra Part 2. Dev is also around the corner. And I hope that Arun Mukherjee does not take another 10 years to make this. That's not right, yeah. 10 साल में 2 सरकार शायद बदल सकती है. Why wait for that? So please make it a point of watching this film. For news and updates, for more content, please tune into my video. Click the bell icon. Keep watching, keep tuning in to Truly Shoham. Have a wonderful day. See you at the movies. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Brahmastra. अब खेल शुरू.